Welcome to Fresh. I'm Sarah and this is
Mia.
And today we're going to be making
Chickens.
mango chickens. We're going to start by slicing up these mangoes. What you're going to want to do is cut it into thirds, and you're going to slide that knife right down alongside next to where that pit is. Then I go ahead and slice it so it comes out in nice cubes, and all you have to do is slide that knife right against the skin and it'll come off perfectly. And you don't want any leftovers, so what you're going to do is kind of cut around where that pit is and do the same thing with the cubing and slicing of the skin. We're going to start out with 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and then 2 large chicken breasts, which is about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of chicken cubed up. And then a small onion finely diced, 1 pepper sliced into strips, 1 clove of garlic, and 1/2 inch of ginger grated. And then we want a cup of water. You could also use chicken broth. And finally, those 2 mangoes cut up nicely. And then add 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And then you're going to add in chili flakes and pepper to taste. Lastly, go ahead and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to really thicken it up, what the rice does not. And then you're going to add in a cup of rice. Mix that all up just so that way the flavors combine together and all of the rice thoroughly gets cooked. Then throw that lid on, and all you need to do is you can either set it to brown rice or chicken, and it'll be 15 minutes either way.